Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to create AI powered memes in seconds. If you want to create AI memes, so you just need a website. So for this you just have to open your browser and then go to search bar. And here you just have to search for meme cam. Just search for it and then just open the first website. Here you have two options, upload image and use camera. You just have to tap on upload image, then click to upload image, and here you just have to choose your media picker. And now just select the image you want to create meme. As I am going to select this one, so just tap on it, then tap on generate meme. And then after some seconds it will generate a meme to your selected picture. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.